Fancy Kitten here, and today we will be showing you a few Lego ideas that are super easy. But first, I'm going to say, can anybody guess what's in this? Yes, it is a porta potty or a bathroom, portable bathroom. But what I'm asking is, can anybody guess what's in it? Okay, so moving on. Our first project is a large lamp. So, let's get started. First, you're going to need one of these telescope pieces. And then you're going to need either an orange or a yellow dot piece. And you're just going to stick it on just like that. It's going to look like that. And then you're going to need one of these larger disc pieces. And then you're just going to stick it on just like that. So there are our easy big lamps. Next up is our small lamps. These are a lot smaller than the other ones, if you compare them. First off, we're going to need one of these triangular kind of cone-shaped pieces. Then you're going to need a yellow or an orange dot. I'm using a yellow one on this one. And you stick it on just like that, just on the top. And then you take a smaller disc piece, and then you just stick it on the top, just like that. Basically just the same as the other one. There are those two. Next, we're going to make a little mini stool that can fit one minifigure. Kind of looks like a musical note. So, what you're going to need is a 1x2 brick. And you're going to need two of these pieces that have the bars on the end. 1x2. And you're just going to stick one of them on the top, just like that. Then you're going to flip it upside down. And you're just going to stick it on there, just like that on the bottom. So one goes on the bottom and one goes on the top, so you could also say like that. So, but there's your little easy stool. Next, we're going to make a selfie stick. Easy build selfie stick. First, you're going to need, obviously, a stick. It's a little longer than this one, since I couldn't find another one. And then we're going to need one of these pieces, 1x2 with a little clip on the end. We're just going to clip it on like that. Then you're either going to need a phone or a flat brick, doesn't matter. And you're just going to stick it right there on that. So there's your easy little selfie stick. And next we're going to make a Lego shelf. First we're going to need 4 of these pieces. It's a 1x4 brick with 4 studs on the side. We're just going to stack 3 of those on top of each other, just like that. Next you're going to need 2 of these 1x4 pieces, just like this. And you're going to stick one of them on there, and you're just going to stick the other one on there, just like that. Next you're going to need another one of these, the 4th one, and you're just going to stick it right on top of that piece, just like that. And next you're going to need 2 of these 1x2 bricks, and you're just going to place one here and one there, just like that. And we're using this as a Lego toy shelf, so you're going to need one of these pieces. The size it covers is 2x4, so I'm just going to stick it on just like that, just on the top. Doesn't have to have any specific logo or anything. And next we're going to need 6 of these kind of windshield kind of pieces that are clear, but you don't have to use clear. We use them clear though. And we're just going to stick them all along here. So just like this. 2 spaces there. the 2 spaces there, and the 2 spaces there. So there's your super easy Lego shelf. And next we're going to do a rerun of the Lego record player, since our last video wasn't too great. So it has like the needle that touches it and everything. It has little knobs. So let's get started on making this thing. First, you're going to need a 2x4 brick, flat with studs. That's what you're going to start with. Next, you're going to need a 1x4 brick, and you're just going to put it on the back there, just like that. Kind of that. And then you're going to need 2 1x2 bricks, just like that. They're flat, but they have studs on them. And you're just going to attach 2 of them together, just like that, one on top of the other. Next, you're going to need one of these pieces. It's 1x2, flat with studs. And then it has this little front thing that gives you an extra 2 studs in the front, just like that. And you're just going to put it on, like that. And you're just going to stick it on like that. And next, we're going to add these pieces. They are 1x1 bricks, and they have a stud on one side. And you're just going to put them on either end of this middle. So just like that. So you're going to have 4 studs on the front. And next we're going to add the white pieces on the top. You're going to need a 1x2 brick. But I do not have a 1x2 brick right now, so I'm using a 1x2 brick with this little side thing on it. And I'm just going to put my 1x2 brick right there. Next we're going to need a 2x2 brick with a 1 stud in the middle. It's flat, just like that. And then we're going to need a 1x2 grill piece. And then we're just going to put it just like that. Next we will need a 1 stud piece. We're just going to stick it on right there. And then next we're going to need a lever. I'm going to put the lever on right here. Just kind of turn it just like that. Next we're going to put the knobs and the pieces on the front. We're going to need another grill piece. And that goes right in the center on the front. And then next we're going to need 2 of these white 1 stud dot pieces. And we're going to stick these on either end. Just like that. Next we're going to need the legs, which I used these for this one. On the other one it has a bit of a different style of legs. On these it's longer. And so we're just going to go like this, and we're just going to stick them just like that. Can't make it too tall, else the Lego minifigures can't reach it. And then you use one of these circle pieces. They are flat to make the record. And you just stick it on just like that. And then you can put the needle down. And then I have a bonus. It's a little record case. First, you're going to need a 2x3 brick. You're going to need another white grill piece, 1x2, and you're going to put it right in the middle, just like that. And next, you're going to need 2 of these pieces, just like we used on the shelf. And you're going to stick them on either end, just like that, facing in. And then you take well, I took some of these pieces, doesn't really matter, but you just stick them together, just like that. And you just stick them in the little case holder, and you just go like that. And I got this from just a little minifigure, Comes with a better record. So, just gonna stick it right there. And that's all we have for you today. And back to the porta potty. Can anybody guess what's in it? Well, if not, it's all of our stash of money. So that's what's in there. They're pretty rich. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and be sure and hit the like button below. And click on subscribe to stay up to date with our videos. And also, comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Thank you for watching, and bye.